Welcome back to Kiddo Colors. Today we are going to draw and color our number 17. Before we start drawing, let's learn color names first. Dark green color, red color, light blue color, pink color, purple color, yellow color, brown color, orange color, black color, light green color. Well done, kids. Now let's draw number 17. Now let's get started together. This is number 1. Now let's draw number 1. Now draw number 7. This is number 7. Well done, kids. This is number 17. 17 balls. Now let's draw a ball. First we draw circle. Next we will draw curved lines inside the ball. Inside the circle. Well done, kids. This is ball. 17 balls. Now let's draw the word 17. S E V E N T E E N 17. This is 17. This is number 17. 17 balls. Well done, kids. Our drawing is complete. Now let's start coloring. This is dark green color. One is dark green. This is number 17. Well done, kids. This is red color. 7 is red. "17." This is number 17. This is number 17. Well done, kids. Now let's color the ball. This is blue color. Light blue color. This is light blue color. Seventeen balls. Number 17. S E V E N T E E N. 17 balls. This is yellow color. Well done, kids. This is red color. Now let's color the word 17. 17. This is number 17. The word 17 is pink. This is pink color. Kids, this is pink color. Number 17. 17 balls. Well done, kids. Our number 17 drawing is complete. Your drawing looks beautiful and colorful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kiddo Colors for more fun drawing and painting videos. Keep smiling, keep drawing. See you in the next video.